things, rolling across the battlefield, taking out everything in their path. It's a terrifying thought, and it's not just about ground combat. We're talking about unmanned ships, submarines, even planes. The future of warfare is unmanned, man, and it's coming faster than you think. This is some real Skynet shit, and it's happening right now. Chapter 4. The Invisible War, AI-driven cyber warfare. Forget bombs and bullets, man. The most dangerous weapon of the future might be a few lines of code. We're talking about cyber warfare, and it's already happening all around us. AI is playing a huge role in this new type of conflict. We're talking about AI-powered malware that can cripple entire networks, steal sensitive data, even shut down critical infrastructure. Imagine a virus that can take down the power grid, disrupt communications, or even crash the stock market. That's the kind of power we're talking about. And the scary part is, it's almost impossible to defend against. These attacks can come from anywhere in the world, and they can be launched by anyone with the right skills. This is the new face of war, man. It's silent, it's invisible, and it's potentially more devastating than anything we've ever seen before. Chapter 5. Silent but deadly autonomous submarines. Last but not least, we've got autonomous submarines. These things are like the ghosts of the deep, man. They can operate independently for months, patrolling coastlines, gathering intelligence, and even launching attacks. They're armed with torpedoes, mines, all sorts of nasty surprises, and they're virtually undetectable. It's like something out of a Tom Clancy novel. We're talking about a whole new era of naval warfare, one where battles are fought by robots, thousands of feet below the surface. It's both fascinating and terrifying, and it's only a matter of time before this technology becomes more widespread. Imagine a world where every major power has a fleet of these things patrolling the oceans. It's a chilling thought. So there you have it, folks. The future of war is here, and it's powered by AI. It's a scary thought, but it's something we need to be aware of. The future of war is now. That's it for today's show, folks. We covered a lot of ground, and it's some pretty heavy stuff. The future of warfare is changing right before our eyes, and it's more important than ever to stay informed. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content on cutting-edge technology. And let me know in the comments which AI weapon system you think is the most dangerous. Is it the drones? The cyber weapons? Let me know what keeps you up at night. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay safe out there. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on cutting-edge technology. Let us know in the comments which AI weapon system you think is the most dangerous.